Did you know your Tesla Model 3's built-in camera system doesn't protect you the way you think it does? If someone sideswipes your parked car or you get brake checked on the highway, your footage might be useless without a solid dash cam. So today, I'm showing you the top 6 dash cams for the Tesla Model 3, ranked in reverse, with real comparisons, pros and cons, and one clear winner at the end. All the links are in the description, so let's jump in. On number 670 my A810 4K dash cam. The 70 my A810 packs a serious punch for under $200, 0 cents. 4K front video using a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, full HDR night vision, AI motion detection for parking, and extras like GPS, Wi-Fi, and ADAS. It's impressive in bright daylight and tunnels, and night shots are clear enough to grab plate numbers. But here's the thing. The rear cam lags behind with 1080p softness, and when you plug it in, the front camera drops from 30 FPS to 25 FPS. Not ideal if buttery smooth footage matters to you. Plus, no touchscreen, and its plastic build with an internal battery doesn't handle heat well. Compared to the REDTIGER or VIOFO, it holds up on features, but if you want sharper rear footage and better build, keep watching. On number 5, REDTIGER F7 NP4K/2.5K dash cam. This one delivers 4K front and 2.5K rear with wide field of view, great clarity from its Starvis sensor, and even includes a 32 GB card. The image is vibrant, the GPS overlays are accurate, and setup is painless. That said, the suction mount is weak over time, and the rear cam isn't crystal clear during motion. Still, compared to the 70 May A8, it holds a slight edge in image quality and includes better accessories, but loses some polish when it comes to mounting. If you're on a budget and want balanced quality front and back, the F7NP is a solid deal. Number 4, BlendMount BBV2000R for BlackVue. This one's different. It's not a dash cam, it's a mount. But what a mount! CNC machined aluminum, rock solid, and fits BlackVue cams like a factory install. It won't shake, sag, or fall like suction or sticky pads. Especially important for Tesla owners who hate clutter. The downside? It's over $120, 0 cents, and it doesn't improve video quality. Just the look and stability. So if aesthetics matter, and you already own a BlackVue, this is gold. But if you're still picking a dash cam, keep scrolling. You'll want something with the same clean build and recording power. On number 3, Nextbase 622 GW. Here's a beast. 4K video with image stabilization, built-in Alexa, what 3 words, location sharing, emergency SOS, night vision, and slow motion 120 FPS. The footage looks premium and the touchscreen is slick. But it's chunky, runs hot, and uses a LiPo battery instead of a supercapacitor, which isn't ideal in heat-prone Teslas. Also, the app can be glitchy. Compared to Thinkware or VIOFO, the Nextbase wins on smart features and polish, but lags in long-term durability. Great if you want voice controls and emergency tech, less so if heat or app performance matters more. On number 2, Thinkware U1004 K+ 2K dual cam. This one's built like a surveillance tank. 4K front, 2K rear, ADAS alerts, cloud features, discreet low-profile design, supercapacitor for thermal safety, and clean Sony sensors. It nails parking mode, captures crisp plate details, and holds strong in extreme weather. App quirks aside, it's feature-rich and tailored for smart remote access users. Compared to the Nextbase, the Thinkware trades voice controls for more durable construction and better rear clarity. If you're into reliability, parking protection, and tech-savvy features, the U1000 is nearly unbeatable. almost. On number 1, VIOFO T133 Channel Dash. The T130 is built for total coverage, front, rear, and cabin, with 1440p and dual 1080p streams, infrared night vision, supercapacitor durability, GPS, and Wi-Fi all baked in. It's stealthy, compact, heat-resistant, and tailored for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants eyes in and out. The interior cam rotates, which is perfect for tracking passengers or side windows. It's not perfect, the app's rough, and power draw in parking mode is a bit high, but it offers more angles, more recording confidence, and stronger heat endurance than anything else under $250, 0 cents. Compared to Thinkware's sharper 4K, VIOFO wins in full-spectrum coverage and real-world practicality. For most Tesla Model 3 drivers, this is the smartest pick. So, who's the winner? If I had to crown one dashcam today, the VOPF T130 takes the win, not just for features, but for value, versatility, and long-term reliability. You get 3-channel protection, night vision, supercapacitor power, and a Tesla-friendly discreet design. The Thinkware U1000 comes in close for premium users. But for most drivers, the T130 covers everything you'll realistically need. So, what do you think? Would you pick the VIOFO, or does something else on the list catch your eye? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Tesla and gear guides, and don't forget, all the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.